how to make and create Papecraft Instagram story on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account, and it will take you to this page, the home page. Now go to the top and click on create a design and search for Instagram story. Now click here and it will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll down until you find, as you can see, Papecraft Instagram story. Click on see all and choose one of these templates, for example this one, and you can change the photo and text and everything from here. It's very easy to edit, as you can see, and so professional. After you finish, all what you have to do is go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.